All right. Good day. Day again. So here we are again on learning statistics through Excel. And our topic for today will be applying the finite population correction factor. Okay. So why finite is very helpful on estimating the mean of a large population. Okay. For example, here we have here the total population of still sheets. Okay, this has S. The total population for still sheets is 1,462. Okay, so it will be inefficient um, if we measure all of this 1,462 still sheets. We just have to sample at least 5% of this. 5% of this. This is according to the finite population correction here. At least 5% from the total population. Okay. At least 73 or 74 samples. But here our samples is 100. Okay. So it fits the criteria. Okay. Okay. So for example, we have 1,460 sheets, and you wanted to estimate the mean population of the population. Mean the mean of a population, okay, through the sampling, okay, through sampling at least 100 pieces, okay. So to do that, okay, later we will explain this computations here, okay. So let's get straight, okay, and then we'll explain later, okay. So to get the confidence level, okay, this one, the confidence level, okay. So I will explain later why we use 2 instead of 1.96. Okay, times the standard deviation, this one, okay, over the square root of the sample, which is 100, okay, multiplied by the square root of um, population minus sample, okay, did I included that? Population D10, this one, and then the sample D8 over the total population. Okay, then enter. I think we missed another. We missed one. Okay, no, it's not. I think it's not the right answer. We'll have to. Um, okay, and then the square root d10. Okay, there. Now we have the right answer. Okay, so it's 2.39. Okay, okay. So now we get uh, the confidence interval. Okay, this is the mean population. Okay, less by this one and this one. Okay, so the on a confidence level of 95%, okay, the confidence interval is between 45 to 49.7. This is the standard error. Okay, 2.39. Okay, so now you have an idea that the mean of each sheets, okay, still sheets, is around 45 to 49.79 square meter. Okay, you have that in mind. Okay, so you can compute for the uh, lower uh, lower bound, upper bound, upper limit, or lower limit, lower limit to upper limit. Okay, so you can compute there. Let's say 45, multiply it by the population. Okay, and also here. So you can easily conclude that the measure of the total steel sheets in the plant, for example, is around 65,799 square meter to 72,798 square meters. Okay, so if you are a buyer of this, a lot of, um, if you are a buyer, okay, if you wanted to buy this bunch of steel sheets, you can easily, you can use this figure here, okay, to buy. You can use this figure here to save. But if you're a seller, you have the knowledge of the upper and the lower limit, you can use this one, the 72. Okay, you can use this as part of the pricing. Let's say each square meter is around 10 pesos. Okay, let's say this is just an example, 727,000. Okay, or 657,000. Okay, it depends based on the in a case to case basis, case to case scenario. Okay, okay, so that's how important it is in a practical sense. Okay, so now we'll explain the underlying computations here. X mean here is this one, 47.40, positive negative. So you will positive negative positive negative here is you will compute for the standard error, which is the confidence interval here, 2.39. Okay, so in order to get this confidence interval, we computed using this Excel. Okay, I hope you can follow this one. Just have to repeat the video over and over again. Okay, and repeat. Just follow what I've done through these uh, through this Excel. It's all been recorded in this video. Okay, so so two, we use two here as guided by the book, but we can use 1.96 actually. It's just the confidence interval was approximate, okay? Because we're using to approximate value, okay? So you can use 1.96 either, but I just followed the sample of the book. So I just use 2, okay? So there, okay? So 2 by the standard deviation, okay? S there is this one. Small n is this one, square root. And square root again of n. N here, as mentioned, this one. N minus n over n. Okay, and we got this one. Okay, right? Okay, so I think I already have um, discussed all about applying the finite population correction factor. And that's all for today. And I hope you learned something from me again today. Okay, very helpful. Thank you.